Go.
Hello everyone, I'm Carrie. I'm Ryan.
Hello.
Hello. This is Ricky.
Today we are going to tell you how does a sneeze happen.
How does a sneeze? What does that mean? A sneeze? I don't know. Can you show me? Hachu. What should you do if you're sneezing?
We should use a tissue to cover your
You are sneeze and you should use a tissue to cover my mouth.
My mouth.
But
mouth.
so say that again. What should you do when you sneeze?
I should use a tissue to cover my mouth when I sneeze.
Okay. So can you tell me why do you sneeze?
Because germs.
First, let's because
Why do you sneeze? Why? Give me a reason why. I didn't ask you how a sneeze happen. Why do you sneeze? Carry you first. Why do you sneeze?
because I have a cold, so I sneeze.
So every time you have a cold, you will sneeze. No, I don't think so.
Because germs make a home in my nose and they tickle me. So
Yes, that's why you sneeze. Why? Can you say that again? Why do you sneeze? Do you know why? You have a cold. Or you tell me why do you have a cold?
Because germs entered my nose, my body, and they entered my nose and tickle me and I sneeze.
Okay, you can say that. Okay, hello.
Hello everyone, I'm Carrie.
I'm Ryan.
Hi, what are you going to do today?
We are going to tell you how does a sneeze happen.
How does a sneeze happen? What does that mean, a sneeze? Can you tell us? Okay, so when you are sneezing, what should you do?
I should use a tissue to cover my mouth when I sneeze.
So do you have sneeze? Do you have tissues right now?
No, I don't.
Why?
Because
we didn't bring it.
I finished.
What is I finished?
I finished. Yes, I have tissue.
Tissues. Okay. So now, can you tell us why you sneeze? Why do you sneeze?
Because germs entered my body and came into my nose and tickle me, so I sneeze.
And do you agree, Ryan?
Yes.
Okay, say that again. Why do you sneeze?
Because germs make a home in my nose and they tickle me.
Okay, that's why you sneeze. What does that mean, tickle? Can you show me? So if someone tickles you, what will you do?
We will laugh.
Laugh? Okay, so Ricky, go tickle them. Okay, go back. I just want to make you laugh. Okay, so don't be nervous. Okay, go. So did you draw the pictures on your own? Who drew these pictures?
This, I drew this.
Okay, you drew this. Say that again.
I drew this.
Okay, so go.
Oh, it's Ryan drew.
Okay, so now tell us what happens.
First, germs entered this boy's nose, and
What is his name?
his name is
Called Bunny.
Okay, Bunny.
First, germs entered his nose and tickled his nose, but his nose doesn't feel well, so his nose sends a message to his sneeze center in his brain.
To the sneeze center in his brain. Okay. And then what happened?
And his sneeze center sends a message to his muscles,
Okay.
and his muscles push hard. And if Even your eyes.
Why? Why my eyes?
Even his eyes push hard. And that's why he closed his eyes when he sneezed.
He closed his eyes when he sneezes. Is that right?
He closes his eyes when he sneezes.
When he sneezes.
Sneezes.
Okay. So now, can you tell me how fast can a sneeze travel? How fast?
A sneeze can travel as fast as a car.
Okay. So what does that mean, travel? If I don't know, who can explain to me in English? Or just use travel to make a sentence. What does that mean, travel? Or use travel to make a sentence. To tell me, what does that mean, travel? Okay, Carrie.
You use some transportations to go out,
Go to the
outside where you don't
What?
sleep.
Okay, so use travel to make a sentence.